The Alcove Nature Trail is located in the Colorado National Monument near Grand Junction, Colorado. The trail begins at the Visitor Center, where it crosses Rimrock Drive, which it parallels for about a half mile. The first quarter mile of the trail between the Visitor Center and an overlook is wheelchair accessible. A more primitive trail continues past the overlook and ends in an alcove below a big spillover. The route to the alcove is an interpretive trail into an ancient sand dune with 31 metal posts at different points along the way. Each post has a number on it that corresponds with information in a guide that explains different aspects along the trail. Be sure to pick up a guide at the Visitor Center before beginning. Unfortunately, we arrived before the Visitor Center opened, so we did not have access to a guide. Found a cubby with a big snake, right? I'm just kidding. No. And it looks like we're heading right on down that way into that box canyon. This is so cool. And if you look, there's eroded holes in the rock. Look at that. And there you can see from a little bit of a different angle. All right, let's see how far back in here we can go. And I'm gonna look up. And you can see how tall it is. And here we go. Ooh. And again, there's this above, and here we are. And there's where it comes to an end, right there. During rainstorms, hikers will discover a waterfall spilling into the alcove where a pool of water can quickly form. And there is a bird feather right there. A few bird feathers. There must be a nest somewhere up there. Here are some photos from our hike. The Alcove Trail was one of 2 hikes we took that day. Thanks for watching. There are more videos to come. Oh, and please subscribe. Thank you.